Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how to create this simple yet elegant Valentine's card, as we are just a few days away from the day. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to File, select New, and I'm just going for my size of my clipboard and create. Okay, so right here where my mouse is, I'm going to click and hold, and I want to select Custom Shape Tool right here, and I've got the option shape, path or pixels. I'm going for shape or pixels, it doesn't matter, so I'll just go for shape. And what I want to do is I want to select a heart. So as you can see, it's right here. I want to select this heart, cancel this. I'm just going to start dragging. I'm holding shift to retain the proportion of the heart, so I'm going one like so, and the color doesn't matter whatsoever, so don't worry about the color. And I'm going to create another one slightly smaller, so something like so. Cool. So now I want to select the move tool and I want to transform it slightly. So right here, select move tool, and I'm going to select bigger heart. So I'm just going something like this, like so, and accept the changes. And I'm going to the second one and I'm just going like so, something like this. I think it looks okay. Probably I'll just make the first one a bit bigger. So I'm just going to hold shift and alt, so maintains ratio and transforms from the middle, which is where this point here is. So I'll just make it slightly bigger. Yeah, there you go. Okay, great. So as you can see, it looks flat, but let's change that. So but first we're going to get some maps. So I'm just going to Google, and I just typed in London, as I'm based in London, and I just zoomed in. And what I'm going to do is just take a screenshot of this image, minimize it, and go to my folders where I keep my screenshots. So there you go, and just bring it into Photoshop, and I'm going to duplicate the screenshot. So there you go, duplicated, and I'm going to put one above shape 1 and the other above shape 2, which is heart. So I'm just going to rename it heart 1 and heart 2. Cool. So I'll just move one above. So as you can see, we have heart 1 on the layers and screenshot. I'm going to hold the Alt key option on Mac, and right here between these two layers, which is screenshot and heart 1, you see there's an arrow pointing down. That will create a clipping mask, and you'll see in a second. I'm going to do exactly the same on top one, and you see what's happening now. So basically just clipped into the shape, which in this case was the heart, and there you go. So I'm just going to select screenshot from the heart 1, and I can just move it around slightly, and I'll just go like this, and I'm going to select the other one as well, just to something like so. There you go. Actually, it looks quite similar to the other one, so I'll just move it to the side, so they are completely different. Cool. So now we just need a bit of depth on the heart itself, so I'm just going to select the heart, and right here I'm going to FX, and I want to add a drop shadow. So we've got nice drop shadow. I just want a bit more distance and the size, something like so, and I'm happy with that. Now I want to duplicate this effect here, this layer style, into the other heart. So what I'm going to do is holding the Alt option on Mac, and right here where the FX is, I'm just going to click and drag, still holding the Alt key, and I'm going to drag it into the heart 2. Now I just let go and applies the same layer style to that heart. Awesome. So now we need to add like a border around here, just to make it a bit more elegant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just unlock background layer, just click in lock, and the reason why I unlock the layer is so I can use my layer styles. So now I'm going to FX, and I want to stroke like so. So now we have a stroke, and I want to make it on the inside, and I want to select black, click OK, and I've got the size here, and as you can see I can move it as far as I want. So I'm just going, for time being, a random number, in this case 59, but I want to add another one above this stroke, so I'm going to click plus, and this one here I'm going to change the color and click OK. Obviously you don't see much happening because of the size. It's exactly the same size as the black, so it's just overlapping the white is overlapping the black. So if I just start bringing down the size like so of the white one, adds a nice border effect, and I think probably it looks quite cool as it is. So yeah, I'll go with that. Probably on the black one I actually go for a darker gray, something like so. Yeah, cool. So I'll click OK and OK. Nice one. So also what I'd like to do is add a bit more texture to this layer. So first thing I'm going to do is right click, and I'm going to convert to smart object. The reason I convert to smart object is so I'm going to apply a filter, and if I want to go back there and change slightly the filter, you'll see what I mean in a second. I can using smart object. So I'm going to filter gallery, and I've got texturizer here, and as you can see I've got canvas, scaling, I'll just go for something like so. Relief, it's how much is applying the texture to, and I'll click OK. And as you can see, it just adds a bit more texture. And like I said, because it's a smart filter, smart object, I applied a smart filter. So if I double click, it says filter gallery, I can come here and just bring down the scaling, and it will update straight away. Cool. So now all I have to do is apply some text. So select top layer, grab text tool, and as you can see I've got without you I'd be lost. So I'm going, and two different tones on the of gray. So let's go first without you, 1 2 3 dots, accept the changes, and now I'm going, I'd be lost all capitals. Well, just because I want to, you don't have to, and you can write anything else. This just so something like so. Actually it would help if this, there we go, it was properly spelled. And let's go to without you, just make it slightly bigger like so, accept the changes, et voila, very cool. Actually the texture is too strong, so I'm just going to bring it down a bit more, something like so. Cool. Probably I'll just make it, I'm not too keen with the grain here, so I'm just going to select the drop shadow in here. It's all good. Yes, it's the layer 0. There you go. Okay, it's all good. I'll just apply some levels afterwards if I want to. Actually, I'll just apply some levels now. Something like this. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I think it works. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your weekend, and happy Valentine's to everyone. I hope this helped in any way. Make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends this video and all my other videos. I have over 200 videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.